Welcome to NetApp KBTV. This video demonstrates how to deploy Azure BlueXP connector in standard mode. A connector is a NetApp software running in your cloud network that gives you an ability to use all BlueXP features and services. There is a list of endpoints in the document link attached to this video that the connector should be allowed to access, and review the same document for the prerequisites. Now, log into BlueXP SaaS using the URL bluexp.netapp.com or cloudmanager.netapp.com. Click on the connector and add connector. Choose the cloud provider as Microsoft Azure. Click continue. There are two ways to authenticate, one with Azure account and one with Active Directory Service Principal. Let's look at Active Directory Service Principal. If you choose to use Active Directory Service Principal, it should have the required custom role and permissions attached as described in the document attached to this video. Fill in the application ID, client secret, and directory ID, which you can get it from the Azure portal. If you choose to use Azure user account, click continue. Once you land to this page, select the tenant, subscription, and location where you want your connector to be deployed. Create new resource group or use existing. Choose the preferred authentication method for the VM. I go with password. Provide the authentication method with custom username, and I choose to give it as admin user. Enter the password which you need for your connector CLI access. Click on next. Please provide the connector instance name, which is going to be the BlueXP connector name. Choose the preferred method to create and attach custom role. If you choose to create new, you can provide the custom name here. If you have an existing custom role, use attach existing and select the custom role. I prefer to have it create new custom role. You can choose multiple subscriptions here so that you can manage resources like CVO in those subscriptions. Click next. Select the VNet, subnet. If required, enable a public IP address for accessing the BlueXP. If not, disable it so that you can access via private IP. If your organization requires a proxy for outbound and inbound access, kindly provide the URL here. If that requires a username and password, you can provide that here and click next. If you have a network security group already with required security rules, select an existing security group. If not, create a new security group with the required CIDR allowed accordingly. I chose to keep it 0.0.0/0. Click next. Review all the details before clicking add. Click on add. Wait for BlueXP connector to get deployed. This will approximately take 7 minutes to deploy. Your BlueXP connector is deployed now. You can start discovering or creating working environments to manage it from BlueXP. Hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe to NetApp KBTV for more informative videos.